This is a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It has a 6.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an 8-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a speed-sensitive volume control system, a low-tire pressure indicator, the Uconnect infotainment system, a 10-speaker audio system, satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a graphic equalizer, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, a passenger side airbag, air conditioning. And this vehicle has fewer than 1,000 miles on the odometer. Every Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Ram certified pre-owned vehicle has to pass a stringent certification process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. This means you get a 125-point inspection and thorough reconditioning process, a 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care limited warranty, and up to 7 years, 100,000-mile powertrain factory-backed limited warranty, 24-hour towing, roadside assistance, and car rental allowance. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.